If you're new to procurement, most of the advice out there will teach you to chase the lowest price. I think that's the fastest way to become a bad procurement person. Let me give you a better start in under 10 minutes. First, the simple version. Procurement is how an organization gets the goods and services it needs to run and manages the risk that comes with them. Day to day, the job is this. You work out what the business needs and how critical it is. You find suppliers, agree terms, and place orders. And you keep watching for anything that could disrupt your supply so you can plan for it before it hits. Now here's what beginners get taught. That the win is the lowest price and the biggest saving. Savings matter. I'm not going to pretend they don't. But price-first thinking is exactly what causes the expensive failures, the ones that cost far more than you ever saved. Because the real job isn't getting things cheap. The real job is protecting whatever your supply keeps running. So the first instinct to build isn't, how cheap can I get this? It's, what happens if this fails? Let me tell you something I learned early that no course taught me. Suppliers are not neutral. A beginner assumes a supplier just wants to sell you the thing at a fair price. But some want more than that. I've watched suppliers use their position, their leverage, to push a political agenda. The supply was never really the point for them. Once you've seen that, you stop treating suppliers as a price on a screen. You start seeing the power in the room. So if you're starting out, build these habits early. Ask what the thing is actually for before you buy it. Know which of your suppliers you can't easily replace. Watch the handoffs, where one team assumes another already checked, and keep asking that one question. What happens if this fails? From there, go deeper in this order. Learn your specifications, then your critical suppliers, then your risks. You don't need years of experience to think like a good procurement person. You need the right first question. Subscribe, and I'll keep building that instinct with you. The free chapter of my book is below.